The International Criminal Court's arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin has no meaning, including from a legal point of view, as Russia had withdrawn from the ICC treaty in 2016. Rejecting the warrant, Maria Zakharova, a spokeswoman for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, said Russia is not a member of the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court and bears no obligations under it. Russia does not cooperate with this body, and arrest warrant coming from the International Court of Justice will be legally null and void. Russia's former president Dmitry Medvedev also took to Twitter likening the warrant to toilet paper. The ICC announced earlier it had issued an arrest warrant against Putin for the unlawful deportation of Ukrainian children. The court had also issued a warrant against Maria Lvova-Belova, Russia's presidential commissioner for children's rights, on similar charges. The Hague-based ICC accused the Russian president of responsibility for war crimes committed by Russian forces in Ukraine during the war that has been ongoing for over a year. The Kremlin said that the International Criminal Court's decision to issue an arrest warrant for President Vladimir Putin was legally void since Moscow does not recognize the Hague-based court's jurisdiction. Russia, just like a number of different countries, does not recognize the jurisdiction of this court, and so from a legal point of view, the decisions of this court are void, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov told reporters. Top Russian officials and propagandists reacted with anger, while members of the opposition hailed the move. Lock him up, tweeted activist Vladimir Milov, an ally of jailed opposition politician Alexei Navalny.